Bilbao is a municipality and city in Spain, a major city in the province of Biscay in the autonomous community of the Basque Country. It is the largest municipality of the Basque Country and the 10th largest in Spain, with a population of 353,187 in 2010. The Bilbao metropolitan area has roughly 1 million inhabitants, making it one of the most populous metropolitan areas in northern Spain, with a population of 875,552. The comarca of Greater Bilbao is the fifth largest urban area in Spain. Bilbao is also the main urban area in what is defined as the Greater Basque region. Bilbao is situated in the north-central part of Spain, some 14 kilometers south of the Bay of Biscay, where the estuary of Bilbao is formed. Its main urban core is surrounded by two small mountain ranges with an average elevation of 400 meters. After its foundation in the early 14th century by Diego López Vida Haro, head of the powerful Haro family, Bilbao was a commercial hub of the Basque Country that enjoyed significant importance in Green Spain. This was due to its port activity based on the export of iron extracted from the Biscayan quarries. Throughout the 19th century and the beginning of the 20th, Bilbao experienced heavy industrialization, making it the center of the second most industrialized region of Spain, behind Barcelona. At the same time, an extraordinary population explosion prompted the annexation of several adjacent municipalities. Nowadays, Bilbao is a vigorous service city that is experiencing an ongoing social, economic, and aesthetic revitalization process, started by the iconic Bilbao Guggenheim Museum, and continued by infrastructure investments, such as the airport terminal, the rapid transit system, the tram line, the Alhóndiga, and the currently under development Abandoibarra and Zorroza renewal projects. Bilbao is also home to football club Athletic Club de Bilbao, a significant symbol for Basque nationalism due to its promotion of Basque players and one of the most successful clubs in Spanish football history. Etymology: the official name of the town is Bilbao, as known in most languages of the world. Euskaltzaindia, the official regulatory institution of the Basque language, has agreed that between the two possible names existing in Basque, Bilbao and Bilbo, the historical name is Bilbo, while Bilbao is the official name. Although the term Bilbo does not appear in old documents, in the play The Merry Wives of Windsor by William Shakespeare, there is a reference to swords presumably made of Biscay on iron which he calls Bilbos, suggesting that it is a word used since at least the 16th century. There is no consensus among historians about the origin of the name. Generally accepted accounts state that prior to the 12th century the independent rulers of the territory, named Señores de Zubialde, were also known as Señores de Bilbao la Vieja. The symbols of their patrimony are the tower and church used in the Shield of Bilbao to this day. One possible origin was suggested by the engineer Evarista de Churruca. He said that it was a Basque custom to name a place after its location. For Bilbao this would be the result of the union of the Basque words for river and cove, Bilbao. The historian José Tussell Gómez argues that it is just a natural evolution of the Spanish words Belovado, beautiful river crossing. On the other hand, according to the writer Esteban Calatorino, the name derives from the two settlements that existed on both banks of the estuary, rather than from the estuary itself. The second, on the left bank, where now Bilbao la Vieja is located, would be called Bajo, Spanish for mist or steam. From the union of these two derives the name Bilbao, which was also written as Bilbao and Bilbao, as documented in its municipal charter. A now ending is also present in nearby Sestao and Ugao, that could be explained from Basque ajo, mouth. Symbology: the titles, the flag and the coat of arms are Bilbao's traditional symbols and belong to its historic patrimony, being used in formal acts, for the identification and decoration of specific places or for the validation of documents. Titles. Bilbao holds the historic category of borough, with the titles of very noble and very loyal and unbeaten. It was the Catholic monarchs who awarded on 20 September of 1475 the title, noble borough. Philip III of Spain, via a letter in 1603, awarded the borough the titles of very noble and very loyal. After the siege of Bilbao, during the First Carlist War, the 25 of December 1836, the title of unbeaten was added. History. Remains of an ancient settlement were found on the top of Mount Malmacene, dating from around the 3rd or 2nd century BC. Burial sites were also found on Mount Savril and Artzander, dated 6,000 years old. Some authors identify the old settlement of Bilbao as Amanun Portus, cited by Pliny the Elder, or with Flaviobriga, by Ptolemy. Ancient walls, which date from around the 11th century, have been discovered below the Church of San Anton. Bilbao was one of the first towns founded in the 14th century. During a period in which approximately 70% of the Biscayan municipalities were developed, among them Portugalete in 1323, Ondarawa in 1327, Lecatio in 1335, and Mungia and Larabesu in 1376. The then Lord of Biscay, Diego López V of Haro, founded Bilbao through a municipal charter dated in Valladolid on 15 June 1300 and confirmed by King Ferdinand IV of Castile in Burgos. On 4 January 1301, Diego López established the new town on the right bank of the Nervión River, on the grounds of the Elizate of Bigona, and granted it the fuero of Logrono, a compilation of rights and privileges that would prove fundamental to its later development. On 21 June 1511, Queen Joanna of Castile ordered the creation of the Consulate of Bilbao. This would become the most influential institution of the borough for centuries, and would claim jurisdiction over the estuary, improving its infrastructure. Under the consulate's control, the port of Bilbao became one of the most important of Spain. The first printing press was brought to the town in 1577. Here in 1596, the first book in Basque was edited, entitled Doctrinae Christiana en Romance y Bascuence by Dr. Bertolaza. In 1602 Bilbao was made the capital of Biscay, a title previously held by Bermeo. The following centuries saw a constant increase in the town's wealth, especially after the discovery of extensive iron deposits in the surrounding mountains. At the end of the 17th century, Bilbao overcame the economic crises that affected Spain, thanks to the iron ore and its commerce with England and the Netherlands. During the 18th century, it continued to grow and almost exhausted its small space. The Basque country was one of the main sites of battles of the Carlist Wars, and the Carlists very much wanted to conquer in the city. A liberal and economic bastion, Bilbao was besieged 3 times between 1835 and 1874, but all proved unsuccessful. One of the main battles of this time was the Battle of Luchana in 1836, when Liberal General Baldomero Espartero defeated the Carlists, freeing the borough. Despite the warfare, Bilbao prospered during the 19th and 20th centuries, when it rose as the economic center of the Basque country. During this time, the first railway was built, the Bank of Bilbao was founded, and the Bilbao Stock Exchange was created. Many industries flourished, such as Altos Hornos de Vizcaya, founded in 1902. The borough grew in area with the Abando in Sancha and was modernized with new avenues and walkways, as well as with new modern buildings such as the City Hall, the Baserta Hospital and the Araja Theatre. The population increased dramatically, from 11,000 in 1880 to 80,000 in 1900. Social movements also arose, notably Basque nationalism under Sabino Arana. The Spanish Civil War started in Bilbao with a number of small uprisings suppressed by the Republican forces. On the 31st of August 1936, the city suffered the first bombing. The next month, further bombing by German planes occurred, in coordination with Franco's forces. In May 1937, the Nationalist Army besieged the town. The battle lasted until the 19th of June of that year, when Lieutenant Colonel Putt was ordered to destroy all bridges over the estuary, and the troops of the 5th Brigade took the borough from the mountains Malmesine, Pagasari, and Arnotigi. With the war over, Bilbao returned to its industrial development, accompanied by a steady population growth. In the 1940s, the city was rebuilt, starting with the bridges. In 1948, the first commercial flight took off from the local airport. Over the next decade, there was a revival of the iron industry. The demand for housing outstripped supply, and workers built slums on the hillsides. In this chaotic environment, on the 31st of July 1959, the terrorist organization ETA was born in Bilbao, as a faction of the PNV. After the fall of Francoist Spain and the establishment of a constitutional monarchy, in a process known in Spain as the transition, Bilbao was able to hold democratic elections again. This time Basque nationalists rose to power, with the approval of the Statute of Autonomy of the Basque Country in 1979. Vitoria-Gasteiz was elected the seat of the government and therefore the de facto capital of the Basque Autonomous Community, although Bilbao was larger and more powerful economically. In the 1980s, several factors such as terrorism, labor demands and the arrival of cheap labor from abroad led to a devastating industrial crisis. Since the mid-1990s, Bilbao has been in a process of deindustrialization and transition to a service economy, supported by investment in infrastructure and urban renewal, starting with the opening of the Bilbao Guggenheim Museum, and continuing with the Euskalduna Conference Center and Concert Hall, Santiago Calatravas Zubizarreta, the metro network by Norman Foster, the tram, the Iberdrola Tower and the Zorroza development plan, among others. Many officially supported associations such as Bilbao Metropoli 30 and Bilbao Ria 2000 were created to monitor these projects. Geography. The municipality of Bilbao is located on the northern tip of the Iberian Peninsula, about 19 kilometers from the Bay of Biscay. It covers an area of 40.65 square kilometers, of which 17.35 square kilometers are urban and the remaining 23.30 square kilometers consist of the surrounding mountains. The official average altitude is 19 meters, although there are measurements between 6 meters and 32 meters. It is also the core of the comarca of Greater Bilbao. It is surrounded by the municipalities of Daraya, Etxebarri, Galdakao, Loiu, Sondika, and Zamudio to the north, Arrigorriaga and Basaura to the west, Alonsotegi to the south, and Barakaldo and Arandio to the east. Geography. Bilbao is located on the Basque Threshold, the range between the larger Cantabrian Mountains and the Pyrenees. The soil is predominantly composed of Mesozoic material sedimented over a primitive Paleozoic base. The relief of the province is dominated by NWSE and WNWESE-oriented folds. The main fold is the anticline of Bilbao, which runs from the municipality of Elorrio to Galdames. Inside Bilbao there are two secondary folds, one in the northeast, composed of Mounts Artzander, Avril, Banderas, Picota, San Bernabe, and Cabres, and other in the south, composed of Mounts Cobitas, Restalecu, Pagasari and Orres. The highest point in the municipality is Mount Ganeta, of 689 meters, followed by Mount Pagasari, of 673 meters. both on the border with Alonsotegi. Hydrology. The main river system of Bilbao is also the hydrological artery of Biscayne. The rivers Nervión and Ibaizábal converge in Basora and form an estuary named variously, Estuary of Bilbao, of the Nervión, of the Ibaizábal, or, of the Nervión-Ibaizábal. The estuary runs for 15 kilometers and with a low flow per second. Its main tributary is the river Cadagua, which rises in the Mena Valley and has a basin of 642 square kilometers, mostly lying in the neighboring province of Burgos. This river is also the natural border between Bilbao and Barakaldo. The river has frequently suffered from human intervention, as seen in the dredging of its bottom, the building of docks on both banks and especially in the Deusto Canal, an artificial waterway dug between 1950 and 1968 in the district of Deusto as a lateral canal, with the aim of facilitating navigation, sparing ships from the natural curves of the estuary. The project was stopped with 400 meters left to complete, and it was decided to leave it as a dock. However, in 2007, a plan was approved to continue the canal and form the island of Zorozera. This human intervention has also brought negative results in the quality of the water, after decades of toxic waste dumping causing a situation of anoxia, which almost eliminated the entire fauna and flora. However, in recent years this situation is being reversed, thanks to a dumping ban and natural regeneration. Now it is possible to observe algae, tonguefishers, crabs, and seabirds, as well as occasional bathers in the summer months. The estuary is also a natural border for several neighborhoods and districts within the borough. Entering the municipality from the west, it separates the districts of Begoña and Abayondo, then Abando and Uribari, and lastly Deusto and Biserta-Zorroza. Climate. Its proximity to the Bay of Biscay gives Bilbao an oceanic climate, with precipitation occurring throughout the year and without a well-defined dry summer. Precipitation is abundant, and given the latitude and atmospheric dynamics, rainy days represent 45% and cloudy days 40% of the annual total. The rainiest season is between October and April, November being the wettest. Snow is not frequent in Bilbao, although it is possible to see snow on the top of the surrounding mountains. Sleet is more frequent, about 10 days per year, mainly in the winter months. Bilbao is nearest of the subtropical boundary of all the Atlantic coastal cities in the country, with an August daily mean of 20.9 degrees Celsius. There is also a drying trend in summer with only around 50 millimeters of rainfall in July, but not dry enough to be considered Mediterranean. The proximity of the ocean also means that the two best defined seasons remain mild, with low-intensity thermal oscillations. Average maximum temperatures varies between 25 and 26 degrees Celsius in the summer months, while the average minimum in winter is between 6 and 7 degrees Celsius. Extreme record observations in Bilbao are 42.2 degrees Celsius maximum and -8.6 degrees Celsius minimum. The maximum precipitation in a day was 225.6 millimeters in the 26th of August 1983, when severe flooding was caused by the Nervión River. Demographics. The local register office shows a total resident population for Bilbao of 349,356 in 2013. Update. The first credible data on the population of Bilbao are post-1550. It is known that in 1530 Biscay had approximately 65,000 inhabitants, a number that could have been reduced by plagues that struck the city in 1517. 1530, 1564–68, and 1597–1601, the last being especially devastating. This trend for periodic reverses in population growth was maintained until the 19th century. Since then, Bilbao has experienced an exponential growth in population thanks to industrialization. After a peak of 433,115 inhabitants in 1982, the municipalities of the Tex-Oriery Valley were removed from Bilbao, with the corresponding loss of their population. Of the 355,731 people residing in Bilbao in 2009, only 114,220 were born inside the municipality. Of the remainder, 114,908 were born in other Biscayan towns, while 9,545 were born in the other two Basque provinces. 85,789 came from the rest of Spain, and 33,537 were foreigners. There are 127 different nationalities registered in Bilbao, although 60 of them represent fewer than 10 people each. The largest foreign communities are Bolivians and Colombians, with 4,879 and 3,730 respectively. Other nationalities with more than 1,000 inhabitants are Romanians, Moroccans, Ecuadorians, Chinese, Brazilians and Paraguayans, with 1,204. Government. Bilbao is a municipality with a mayor-council form of government. The mayor and councillors are elected for 4-year terms. There is a division between the executive, made up of the mayor and a board of governors, and the plenum, consisting of 29 councillors. The councillors of the plenum represent political parties and are distributed as follows. Basque Nationalist Party, 15 seats plus the mayor. People's Party, 6 seats. Bilder, 4 seats. And Spanish Socialist Workers' Party, 4 seats. In 2008 and 2010, Bilbao won the Municipal Transparency Prize, awarded by the Spanish division of Transparency International. In 2009 it came second, after Sant Cugat del Vallès. Its former mayor, recently deceased, Mr. Inaki Azcuna was awarded as the Best World Mayor 2012. Districts. The borough of Bilbao consists of 8 different districts. Each district is further subdivided into neighborhoods, totaling 35.